companies the technology to build their own data marketplace.
Okay.
So if you want to make, like let's say in your company, your guys in HR or marketing, they need data, right?
Okay.
How do they get it right now?
Like from some online resources.
Just they need data and they're like, oh, my company might have something that's useful. I need HR data, employee data. I need sales data. I need data.
Okay.
So they're asking themselves, like, your guys in HR.
Yes. The technical team, they will raise the ticket and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
they'll email your IT team like,
Yes.
hey, I need this data.
Yeah,
Can you guys
yeah,
help
that's
me
what we
there?
do, yeah.
So that's really, like that pain point. That causes a lot of bottlenecks. So we asked ourselves, how are we able to make it super easy to find and share data so that anyone can do it?
So within the company, we will deploy this.
Yes.
And the team can use it for getting data.
In your company. This is not like IBM's Data Product Hub where you're uploading data to IBM. You guys own the marketplace and then it's all data sharing from your own company.
So this could be a custom solution for the client
Yes.
where they can deploy the IBM Data Product Hub, and then the business team will make a request here, and that will go to IT team, and that request will go to IT team,
Yes,
or they
yes.
can straight away pull the data.
So the way we're looking at it right now is there's still going to be that IT team, that central IT team.
Okay.
So you'd be able to fill out a request for a brand new data product, describe what you're looking for. So this is just what we have right now. It's not like everything that's going to be there, key
Something like that.
features,
What
what
do you want?
delivery methods you're wanting, what's maybe
So
a few
rather than
examples.
raising a ticket in Jira before the onset of a project, we will raise information in this form, and that will go to a central IT administrator. And
Whoever
then,
you want, yeah.
And he will approve the request, and the data will be fetched automatically, or he will.
So if you'll see in the spotlight section, I think tomorrow, we actually take you guys through the flow. So what it's gonna do, it's not in here right now, but what we're working on is when this comes up in the data producer's index box that, hey, someone's requested this,
Okay.
they'd actually just be able to click it. And from natural language, whatever that person has entered, Data Product Hub will generate an SQL query that looks across your,
So technically, we need not wait for weeks or months for the
Yes,
IT team to
exactly.
get me the exact
So,
data.
I'm technically not supposed to show this, but
yeah.
let me show you anyway. Let me show you the kind of the flow. So let's.
But I'm recording. Shall I
Yeah,
stop
no,
recording?
that's fine. You can
Okay.
record this. But this is what we're going to show in the spotlight tomorrow.
Okay.
So let's say I'm the data consumer, right? I'm looking for clients with double coverage in the Midwest. Nothing for me. I hit new data product. Automatically, the request gets populated with my natural language query. It pulls out, hey, policy, client information. These are the ones you want. This is the type of data I'm looking for. Submit. Now on the other side, right, the central IT team, they see, okay, I have a request. Okay, looks like a lot of people are asking for like similar data. This one's looking for in the Midwest, Texas, Utah, East Coast. So instead of making one data product for each of them, I'm just gonna make one data product that's generic.
Like
and
a cube.
Yeah.
And it has all the data generic cube, and from that we will build the individual request.
Yes, they can go in and personalize it to, oh, I'm only looking for Midwest, I'm only looking for East Coast. So that's what they would do. I say, okay, this request looks good. I'm going to approve and create draft. Let me add an item. And this is that dynamic view of data. So it'll take like, what was the natural language query? What use case did you tag it with? Here are your suggested data sources. Here's the suggested query.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. So
No need for a database developer, no need for ETL people.
No
right
need
away.
for, And actually, if you want to see it a little bit in action, we're relying on this technology right here to help us build I'll take you there, natural language to SQL. So like once it's in here, right, I can say what recommended usage. I'll put a data contract saying there's private information, you can only use it for this, blah, blah, blah. I can, maybe if I want to restrict it and make it restricted, I can set an approver so that not everyone can approve it, okay? Now it's in the hub. I get a notification, my request has been fulfilled. I'm going to, then it's in the hub. Okay. Weird. Usually it should be able to show me clicking into this.
Sometimes the internet has some issue here. I've seen.
Yeah, no, this is also, these are designs, so it's like the internet does suck. The designs, I think, okay, maybe if I, so weird. But I wanted to show you how when you click it, essentially you'd be able to, order the data product and then customize it to your use case. So
that's so cool.
Yeah, this is what we're working towards.
Because
not there yet.
Now, who is the person from the sales if I have to purchase for my company? I'm the CEO and founder of Your Grace.
Okay.
We are into generative AI, blockchain, BI, and cybersecurity. So if I have to purchase this for my company and my clients, who is the salesperson?
do you have a dedicated sales lead? Okay, you know what? Actually, when you came here, it took your data and it's gonna send you an email.
Oh,
Okay, and then you
already
should.
knows?
Yeah, I think that's what they told us, that it's beacon data.